どうも皆さんお疲れ様です。ひろき先生です。はい。Welcome back to For All Japanese Learners. Today this is our second lesson. Continuing from the last lesson, I, a native Japanese tutor, will explain Genki 2 using example sentences and the slang used in everyday life. Well, today's lesson is about how to say multiple reasons for doing something. Everyone may already know how to explain reasons. In Japanese, we use the word kara to explain reasons. For example, 暑いからビールを飲みたい. I want to drink beer because it's hot. 汗をかいたからシャワーを浴びる. I'm going to take a shower because I'm sweating. 暗いから電気をつける. I turn the light because it's dark. But there are other reasons besides being hot that you want to drink beer, such as because you're tired after work, or because you're thirsty. But you can only use kara when explaining the single reason. When explaining the multiple reasons, you can use the particle shi. And this shi is a very useful particle, and the Japanese people use it many times in a daily conversation. So let's master this particle in this lesson. If you learn how to use this shi, you will be able to tell the other person what you really think that reason is. You won't be frustrated because you can only give one more reason. Let's get started with today's lesson. Let's start with a review from kara. Kara equal because. For example, I want to drink beer because it's hot. 暑いからビールを飲みたい. Simply adding kara after the reason it's hot makes it mean because it's hot. You can also make the sentence the opposite. Because it's hot, I want to drink beer. ビールを飲みたい. 暑いから. The meaning is exactly the same. Just say it the way you want to say it. Now, it is time to explain how to add multiple reasons. The usage of she is very simple. When you use she, you basically use casual expressions. So she is not often followed by des or mas. If you want to be extremely polite, you can add them, but in casual expressions, you almost never do. If you want to be a little more polite, you can add des or mas at the end of the sentence. Let me show you an example sentence first. 暑いし喉が渇いたからビールを飲みたい. 暑いし喉が渇いたからビールを飲みたい. It's hot, I'm thirsty, and I don't want a beer. You found that the word 暑い, hot, is followed by she. By using this particle she, we can connect it to the next reason. In this example sentence, you explain that you want to drink beer because it's hot and because you have a thirsty throat. By the way, she can be used in the same way as kara. So, I want to drink beer because it's hot and thirsty. You can also say, ビールを飲みたい. 暑いし喉が渇いたから. Now, let's add another reason to the list. 暑いし喉が渇いたし仕事で疲れたからビールを飲みたい. 暑いし喉が渇いたし仕事で疲れたからビールを飲みたい. It's hot, I'm thirsty, I'm tired from work, and then I want a beer. Now you have 3 reasons for wanting a beer. As in the previous example, you're gonna use she instead of kara, no matter how many reasons you give. 暑いし喉が渇いたし仕事で疲れたしビールを飲みたい. It's hot, I'm thirsty, I'm tired from work, I want a beer. 暑いし喉が渇いたし仕事で疲れたからビールを飲みたい. I want a beer because it's hot, I'm thirsty, and I'm tired from work. In addition, you can reverse the sentence in any sentence. See? Easy, isn't it? But there's one point to keep in mind.
That is that you have to put that sound after na adjective and nouns. Don't worry, I explain it to you now. First of all, there are two types of adjective in Japanese. E type and na type.
Adjectives ending in E such as 暑い、寒い、高い and 安い are called E-type adjectives. On the other hand, Na-type adjectives are those ending in na, such as 静かな、元気な. There is one irregular. E means good, changes from to 良かった or 良くない when used in the past tense or in the negative tense. But when used with she, the original E is used. So you can say いいし. Let's look at a previous example sentence. 暑いし喉が渇いたからビールを飲みたい。暑い. This is an E adjective. When it is an E-type adjective, you can explain the reason by adding she as it is. But when it is a na-type adjective or a noun, you need to put da in front of she. For example, 彼女は美人だし頭がいいから人気です。彼女は美人だし頭がいいから人気です。She is popular because she is beautiful and smart. The adjective in this sentence is 美人な beautiful. When adding she, remove the na and add da before the she. Another example is あの女は嘘つきだし無視するし最低だ。あの女は嘘つきだし無視するし最低だ。That woman is a liar. She ignores me and she is disgusting. The noun in this sentence is 嘘つき a liar. After the noun, add da and then put she. There are no specific rules for adding she after a verb, so just add she to match the tense. For example, 仕事も終わったし明日は休みだから今日は飲みに行こう。仕事も終わったし明日は休みだから今日は飲みに行こう。Work is over and tomorrow is my day off, so let's go out for a drink today. And so on. Let's look at one more example sentence for each type. The example sentence is based on the movie Maverick, which I saw the other night. Let's start with the E-type adjective. マーヴェリックはストーリーが面白いし、トム・クルーズもかっこいいし素晴らしい映画だよ。マーヴェリックはストーリーが面白いし、トム・クルーズもかっこいいし素晴らしい映画だよ。The story is interesting and Tom Cruise is cool as usual, so Maverick is a great movie. 面白い E-type adjective, かっこいい irregular. マーヴェリックはストーリーが簡単だし、俳優の演技も上手だし、評価が高い。マーヴェリックはストーリーが簡単だし、俳優の演技も上手だし、評価が高い。Maverick has an easy storyline, good actors, and is highly rated. 簡単な not type adjective, 上手な also not type adjective. Finally, verb. 映画館で見る映画は大きなスクリーンで見れるし、大きな音で聴けるし最高。映画館で見る映画は大きなスクリーンで見れるし、大きな音で聴けるし最高。I love going to the movies in the theater because I get to see them on a big screen and hear them in the loud sound. 見れるし potential plus し聴けるし potential plus し Let's close the lesson with another way to say some of the words that come up today. 喉が渇く、喉がカラカラ。カラカラ is an onomatopoeic word for dry. Onomatopoeia is a sound, voice, a word that describes the state of things, movement, and sound. 美人、きれい、頭がいい、知的、賢い、面白い、興味深い、楽しい、簡単な、シンプル、上手な、うまい。
Today, we learned how to say multiple reasons. You can put as many multiple reasons into one sentence as you want, just by adding she after the reason. But one thing to keep in mind is that you have to put da after noun, adjective, and nouns. And you can add she to the verb as they are. If you remember this, you will be able to tell others about many reasons. Okay, there's quizzes for all of you. It was warm, sunny, and then I had a great day at the bar drinking beer. It's a great day, I'm feeling good. Let's go for a drive. It rained and the car got dirty, so let's wash it. Let's translate these into Japanese. Well, next time we will learn how to say it looks like. It's a really common expression in both Japanese and English. Of course, we will use easy to understand example sentences in the next lesson, so please look forward to it. Also, I'm looking for your opinions and requests. To make the lesson even better, please leave a comment. Well, that's all for today. I hope you have a good rest of your day and see you in the next lesson. See you soon.
動画を見てくれてありがとう。この動画がいいねと思ったら高評価とチャンネル登録お願いします。あとインスタグラムのフォローもよろしくお願いします。それじゃあまた。